Full transparency here, I believe decluttering helps simplify organizing, so it will always be my first suggestion. Now that that's out of the way, let's explore the infamous stuff or junk drawer. This week alone, I've had about 10 different clients ask me about organizing a catch-all drawer, or even items for which it is very difficult to find a home, like excess bottled or canned beverages, refill-sized products, and things like these. And I'm guessing it's safe to assume that this is a very popular topic, so let's chat about it. Welcome back everyone, Mrs. H here, and that's right, organizing that junk drawer is the topic of the day. Now as always, before we begin, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now if you're here for it, let's get started. The first thing you want to do when you want to tackle that junk drawer is to determine if there is anything in the drawer that can be immediately purged, such as items you haven't thought about or touched in over a year, or even aging or expired items. Now listen, this includes those old cell phone cords that you no longer have the cell phone for, condiment packets, rubber bands that have lost their elasticity, old or blank receipts from faded ink, and anything else that will not be missed. Truthfully, this immediate purge should actually be an annual event done with maybe your spring cleaning. Next, you'll want to gather the items that, while you may not have touched them in a year, they do have a little bit longer shelf life, like playing cards, rubber bands with elasticity, scissors and small tools, batteries, pens, pencils, things like that. At this time, though, you'll want to decide whether these items would be better suited somewhere else. For example, do you have a desk or an office? Then an accessible pen caddy might be a better option for your pens and pencils on or in your desk. Do you have a toolbox? If so, wouldn't this be a better location for small tools? Just to make sure they're accessible, because inaccessibility is what makes them end up in a junk drawer. Finally, for anything else without a specific home, purchase small dollar store caddies for the drawer and keep like items together in each of those caddies. You may even find it helpful to purchase these same caddies or dividers for a desk drawer to organize paper clips, rubber bands, and office-related items. Now let's talk about other hard-to-home items like beverage bottles or cans. These days, water towers are all the rage, and there are even social media challenges to see who can come up with the most creative storage idea. Some of these ideas have gotten pretty expensive, but a good budget-friendly idea is to purchase a shoe rack at a discount store like Dollar General, and you could paint it or decorate it, house it in a mudroom, your garage, or even your basement, and neatly stack your beverages on it. This will actually help to keep your floors clutter-free. Imagine this room with packages of Pepsi or Coke on the floor. And what about refill or extra items perhaps you've purchased in bulk? We'll never underestimate the value of a utility shelf or shelves along a basement or a utility room wall to store these items. The central idea for any organizing project is to keep like items together, store them neatly, rotate them, and replenish as needed. Now that you're aware, please share. And for more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Above all, be kind, and we'll see you in the next video.